India was not teaching at that time. First, this was organized in Korea, and the objective was to develop human intelligence, stimulate economical prosperity, and increase in the happiness for our fellow men through body control activities. So in order to realize the said concept, joint efforts were made by the Republic of China, Japan, and Republic of Korea, and first ICQCC 1976 was held in South Korea. An association called CCM, Coordination Country Members, was formed, and the international convention are being held on by these committee members in their nation on rotation. These are the different countries: Bangladesh, China, Hong Kong, Taiwan, India, Indonesia, Japan, South Korea, Mauritius, Malaysia, Philippines, Singapore, Sri Lanka, and Thailand. Our QCFI's involvement with ICQCC, all of you know that this QCFI was formed in 1982. First national convention we have organized in 1987, and we have got a chance to organize first ICQCC in 1989 in New Delhi. Second chance we have got to organize ICQCC in Lucknow in 2002, and the third chance of ICQCC in 2010 in Hyderabad in the same premises. Now you are with us in fourth ICQCC in 2021 in Hyderabad, which we are organizing now. ICQCC participation, I just like to mention that all Indian organizations 242, different organizations 240 from different countries. Number of delegates, physically they are about 2,450, and number of delegates, virtually they are connected, they may be seen, and already our people are also seen through YouTube, and this will be available in next day onward also. Those who can miss, they can see it. Number of cases studied physically, this is 577, and number of cases studied virtually, this is 327. See here, if you see the statistics, in 2010, when we have organized this international convention, this was a record, that was a benchmark. In 2010, the India created a benchmark which was just superseded by Singapore. In 2018, you can see the graph that a little bit more than 2010. But now, with all of your support, we have almost double, and I'm sure this record will be broken only by QCFI whenever we will get a chance, because this is very, very high. 900 case studies presentation, nobody can think of, because in 27 parallel sessions, we are going to organize this. Program I declares today from 5 to 8:30, this inaugural session is there. Tomorrow, those who have not registered, they can register in the morning. In the evening also, those who are going to present on 26th, many of them they have requested, so I put it. Case history presentation from abroad, the same hall, case studies from abroad that will be presented over here, and along with that in other halls, about 10 parallel sessions will be going on for case history presentation from abroad, as well as few of the schools and those who are not able to come, so they will connect with the virtually. Here, after your presentation, we have made arrangement in such a way that within 3 hours, means after your presentation, after 2 hours, you can get your award in the same hall. So presentation will go on, in between we'll break for 1 hour, and we'll award those who have already presented case studies physically in 17 parallel sessions. So total 17 plus 10, 27 parallel sessions are there. 26th registration, those who have missed, they can take the advantage for registration in the morning itself. Then again presentation will continue till 4 p.m. Then 4 p.m. to 5 p.m. results will be prepared, and 5 to 6 we are going to have award distribution, and valedictory session will be from 6 p.m. to 8:30 p.m. in the same hall, and our CMD AMDC is kind enough to become the chief guest of valedictory session. 27 November we have industrial visit. Those who have registered for this, they are requested to take their boarding passes tomorrow, so that on 27th they can board from the same venue. Outside buses will be there, and you will be facilitated by our team headed by Hegdeji. So thank you very much.